Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I have a very cool little lock here. This is a little cam lock, but it's not any old cam lock. This is a Compaq, I think like the computer company, lock based off or licensed by Illinois, because this is an Illinois duo core, and it's very small, very cute. And let's just grab this key actually, pop that in. There we go. And it works anti-clockwise. Look at this. It turns anti-clockwise. So that's open, or closed, and that's open. But you can't remove the key, so it only comes out there. And it does have 3 rows of wafers: top row, bottom row, and then this sort of side row, which is kind of cool. Picking it is reasonably tricky because you've got to pick that top row here. See that top row there? Then this side row here, and then this bottom row. And I've tried to count how many wafers. I think there are about 4 on each. So 1, 2, 3. I think there are like 4 or 5 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and then 4 or 5 at the side. And you do have to angle your pick up at a very specific angle to pick these side ones, so you don't end up picking the warding just down here by accident. So it can be a little tricky. Picking this, it feels like it has false gates. I don't think it does, but it feels like it sort of does. It's a fun little lock, but it is a tricky little lock. But anyway, let's stick it in a vise and have a go at picking it. And if my commentary's not fantastic, it's because trying to figure out which wafer you are on amongst all of these different wafers is very difficult. So I'll try my best. All right, so we are in the vise. Here's that lovely key. I don't like the way it's quite hard to sometimes get these keys in, but nevertheless, it does work and turns anti-clockwise. Pull this out, and we have a top keyway turner. And we're going to use a flat top short hook in 18 thousandths. We're going to go in and just test the bottom wafers. 1, 2, 3, I think 4. If not, we'll try to get the top wafers. 1, 2 little movement, 3 little movement, nothing else there. Back to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing going on. Oh, don't know what I touched, but did you see that the plug move a little bit? I think that's a good sign. So let's try the bottom wafers. 1, 2, 3. They all feel fine. Let's try these side wafers then. 1, 2. Oh, nice click at the back as well. I don't know which one that was, but these feel good now. Okay, so back to the top. 1, 2, 3 little movement. 4, okay. Back to 1, anything. 2, 3 little click. Goes to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Just need to angle this pick down a little bit so that I can use it. These all feel fine. So let's just try the side again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that feels alright. 1, 2. Little click on 4 there. And 3. And 2. They all feel fine. Back to the side. I feel that the side pin's all right. Anything happening on the these bottom wafers I need to know about? I feel okay. Honestly, on the bottom I can't feel anything interesting happening there, so let's concentrate on the top. Nice click on 3 there. And 1, 2, 3, 4. A really nice click on the wafer at the back at the top. Going back through, lots of clicks. I don't know if these are good clicks or bad clicks, truthfully. Let's try the side again. These all feel absolutely fine, annoyingly. So maybe it's just the top, which could be serrated and give me some problems that I would normally not expect. These bottom wafers all feel fine. Just went into a bit of a full set situation here at the top. Back through. Getting some counter rotation on these top wafers now. And again, I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Oh, we hit 1 and we are open. Whew, that was a toughie. It seems like the side wafers and the bottom wafers set quite quickly, but the top wafers had serrations or felt spooled. I don't know, very strange indeed. Very cool little lock. Like I said, I just can't seem to find a way, even with pliers like this, to get this to open. You can see that it's fully open there. It is a wafer lock, so it shouldn't be too hard to gut if I could only get this pin off, but I've tried and I don't want to damage it any more than I have by trying, and it just refuses to come out. And again, what I don't want to do is actually sort of damage this by keep trying to grab it with some needle nose pliers. It's just in very, very tightly. So yeah, I'm probably not going to try to gut this because it's quite a rare little lock, this sort of Compaq version of the Illinois Duo. Very cool little lock, even though the key is a nightmare to get in sometimes. I don't know why. Get in. So, oh, is it the other way up? There you go. Haha. But yeah, trying to get that little roll pin thing out is just not going to work. Anyway, look, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you've ever picked this lock, seen this lock before, let me know in the comments below. I do read them all and reply as many as I can. If you like this video, want to see more videos like it, then consider subscribing. Really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Smash that notification bell as well to see all the videos first. And otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.